Hi everybody, I'm back. It's not -47 outside, so had some parts come in and I'm going to show you what I got here. So basically we are going to install the rear adjustable perches and bell garage springs and the spacer for it. I actually have the rear suspension all disassembled again, or sorry, the rear axle disassembled because I got a limited slip from Weir Performance, and that is being worked on as we speak. And over here what we have is the two-piece rotors, the Willwood brakes, the new evolved knuckle, the evolved RCA, and I'm going to be using these 1-inch drop brackets for the suspension. So we're going to tear this all apart. We're going to go from there.
Check your body.
Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to install these these new knuckles. They're steel, really nice. I just have to adjust these spacers here and set it up for the way I want it. Oh, almost forgot something. So there's a taper in here that has to go in before you load it. Allows it to fit nicely. Now, we're going to set these up here. These are the evolved rolls. Adjusters. We're going to go right there. For that, we're going to install the shock absorber with a new top plate. This is a 1-inch drop on the plate. And drop one bolt in there just to hold everything in place. Now, what we're going to do is bolt them to the control arm. For that, we're going to use these long bolts that T3 provided. These are the guys. They're going to be thread locked. Okay, there you go, nice and tight. Now what we're going to do is we are going to hook up the tie rod. We got to put these, again, spacers in for the tie rod. Now this one here is 17 mil. There we go. That is done. So we're gonna pop this new rotor on using the supplied bolts and nuts from the hardware. Just give it a quick wipe. Okay. To do that, I'm also going to hit that with some blue Loctite.
I wanna see the light. I wanna see.
There you go. That's that. Before we go any further, we're going to put the caliper on, and we're going to use some blue Loctite on these bolts also, which are a little bigger bolts. Okay, that's that. Now, we're also going to have our brake lines to do, which I can do right now. That's pretty quick. Let me just give you an angle here, what you're looking at. So this is the braided line that we have. I got these from Techno. In fact, I got a whole set from Techno. I got all 7 lines from Techno. Only going to be using 3 of them though, because T3 provided all brand new lines for everything. So now, what we're going to do is slam this guy on. We originally had issues with the clearance on the lower control arm. That's why I've got T3 knuckles on them now instead of the original stock ones. Not going to put these old dust caps on because they're old. I'm going to get some new ones. So save that for later. Now, we're going to put the caliper bolts on. And the caliper. Hopefully everything works out nicely. And it'll be easy peasy. The blue like Loctite these guys. So, we're going to put the brake line in first. I figured that'd be easy right now. A little bit of Loctite on there. Sorry, not Loctite. What is that stuff called? Anti-seize. Nice and tight. And then, take the 2 bolts, take the caliper. Just bolted it. Already got Loctite on these nuts here. And then, what size is that going to be?
100 pound. Check your body, check your body.
Well, I guess we can load the calipers too then. There we go. Nice. Now, what we're going to do is just quickly give the rotor a nice rinse with some brake clean. There we go. Perfect fit. I have one more surprise here going on. We'll do that last. But for now, let's look at that. Ooh, nice. Willwoods. Okay, now we're going to put the Battle Garage springs in and the height adjustable perches. This is pretty easy to install. Probably the easiest thing I'm going to do all day. Famous last words. So, it's just one bolt holding it all.
I wanna see the light.
These are originally for the A86, but they have been found to fit the RA64s. So, may as well. And there you go. That is all. That is installed. Now, let me put the spring on. Those are original Toyota isolators, found in mint condition in Thailand. There you go. I'm gonna add some straps to it to hold the hold it from coming down too far, but that's pretty much it. Now, I'm gonna show you my little surprise. This is gonna look good. Okay, so this is the surprise. Got my wheels. I haven't got the tires yet, but at least you get an idea what it's gonna look like. Look at that. Those are nice. Give me lots of grip. Just clears the fenders. And I might actually bring the suspension in a bit more. But still pretty good. These are Rotas. They're 16 by 9. They're 16 by 8 in the front. I have 16 by 8s in the rear. A nice bronze color. Yeah, these are gonna look nice. And with all the adjustment I got on this thing, a lot of stuff that can be done on this. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna clean up it, maybe make some adjustments, and wait for the rear end to come back. And then I have a big brake kit for the rear end. There's gonna be a quad caliper setup. We're gonna run A86 calipers just for handbrake, and Willwoods for the just 2-piston Willwood for the sander brake. But let's go over this thing here. So basically, what we got is a T3 front coilovers, the T3 shock. Hi. Okay, just to recap, looks like pretty much everything is done for the front end now. Just some little details here and there. I'm just going to go over it with a wrench at some point. Just make sure everything's nice and tight. But for now, we have basically everything T3 on this car, except for the steering tie rods. Right now, it's got the Rota wheels, the Willwood brakes are on, the adjustable control arms, and strut rods, coilovers, top mounts with 1-inch drop. And then we have in the rear full T3 4-link kit with bushings on the body end, sphericals on the axle end, white line sway bar, T3 drop mounts, T3 sway bar mounts, panhard rod from T3, AGX shock absorbers, Battle Garage, adjustable perches, and Battle Garage springs. And the only thing we're waiting for is the differential right now to come back, and then we'll put it all back together in the back end, hook the dry shaft up, and this thing will almost be drivable. I just got to get tires for it. And there's the old calipers. They are garbage. I have brand new Willwoods going on in the back too. So we're almost there. Hopefully by spring, this late spring, we'll get her on the road. Till next time, bye bye.